In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split a table into separate sheets based on a column value in Excel. We'll be working in Microsoft Excel, and the goal is simple. If you have one table with categories like department, region, or salesperson, you can automatically create a separate worksheet for each category. This is especially useful when you want to organize data for reporting, sharing, or review without manually copying and pasting rows one by one. To make this easy to understand, let's imagine a sample table with columns like employee, department, and salary. In the example, one employee belongs to sales, another to HR, another to sales again, and another to IT. The idea is that Excel can take the department column and create individual sheets for sales, HR, and IT automatically. We'll use a manual method built into Excel using a pivot table and report filters. Start by selecting your entire table. Make sure your data includes headers at the top, because that helps Excel recognize each column correctly and makes the process much smoother. Once your table is selected, go to the Insert tab and choose Pivot Table. Excel will ask where you want to place the pivot table. You can use the default option and place it in a new worksheet, unless you have a specific reason to put it somewhere else. After the pivot table is created, look at the Pivot Table Fields panel. Find the category column you want to split by, such as department, and drag that field into the filters area. This tells Excel that the pivot table should be filterable by each category value. Now for the key step. Go to the Pivot Table Analyze tab. From there, open Options. Then choose Show Report Filter Pages. Excel will prompt you to select the filter field you want to use. Choose your category field, such as department, and confirm. At that point, Excel automatically creates a separate worksheet for each category in that column. So instead of one large table, you'll now have multiple sheets, each representing one department or category value. This method is great when you need a quick, built-in way to separate data without writing formulas or using code. Just keep in mind that this approach is based on the filter field you selected, so it works best when your source data is clean and consistently labeled. That's how to split a table into separate sheets based on a column value in Excel using pivot table filters.